Question 32a. Mark says the machine shown below is not an example of a function machine. You have a, you have square root, then you have 3 equals b. Underline the right option. Is right, is wrong, not enough information to say. Note that Mark is actually right. So the right option is right. And why is right is, let's take a value for a that you can easily find the square root. You have to take a, find the square root of a, then add 3, then you get your output, which is b. Let's take 4 for example as a. So square root of 4, you say it's 2. Square root of 4 is not just 2. Square root of 4 is plus or minus 2, because plus 2 times plus 2 will give you 4, and minus 2 times minus 2 will give you 4. So square root of 4 is not just 2, it's plus 2 or minus 2. So that means if we take a as 4, the square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. That means what will be here after finding the square root is plus or minus 2. So we have the first result as positive 2, the second result as negative 2 or minus 2. Then we add 3 as said in the function machine. So plus 3. 2 plus 3 will give you plus 5 or 5. The square root of 4 gives us 2 answers. That's plus 2 and negative 2. So to the negative 2, you add 3 plus 3. The result in this case is 1. When you have a question like this, the 3 owns the positive, the 2 owns the negative. You take the sign of the greater number, which is 3, and the sign it carries is positive. So you take positive, you can leave it empty since it's positive. But if it were negative, you would have to write it. Then you subtract 3 minus 2, you get 1. So it's positive 1. Or you can say you have 3, you owe 2. If you pay the 2 you owe from the 3 you have, you still be having 1. That's why the answer is positive 1. So for this question, it means for B, you have 2 answers. And when it comes to function machines, for every single input, if it goes through the function machine, the law says you'd have to get only 1 answer for B. If you therefore get 2 answers, that means this is not a function machine. So Mark is actually right. If you try 9, you still get 2 answers for B. So therefore, this is not a function machine. B says give the reason for your answer. The reason is, for a function machine, one input value can only produce one output value. Hope you understand.